like, you always are. Because there are moments you don't bang out, but you do everything else. I was like, well, that's just what I do, isn't it? And he was saying, did you hit him?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not on camera, you can't see it.
Blind twat! Oh yeah, don't bother checking your mirror out, just drift over, you knobhead. Oh shit. Just an A-frame.
What? What? I can't go any further forward. Stupid man.
Even so, to go to the office, you have to go up 3 flights of stairs, past the locker room, down another corridor into the office. Then you have to come back down the corridor, go into the locker room, grab all your stuff, sort yourself out.
What's going on?
You're red light back there, mate, so you should probably worry about yourself. Like you're not driving, eh? Carry on.
Knobbers!
Good old arsehole having you roundabout. Wow, it's a good thing I didn't want the first lane.
No. Oi! Come on! 93973 green badge. Dickhead.
You'll be, yeah, there's not much. Don't run that light. Oh, you did. Yeah, you know. Oh, no. Naughty taxi man ran that red light. There's a copper there, and he's just going to have to wait at the red light further down the road. correcting yourself, are you? Nearly corrected. I'm just moving forward towards the line.
Oh, I guess I've just been done for speeding.
Have you?
Yeah.
You're joking.
No, it's real, look, isn't it? 40 odd mile an hour. Guess I was taking half a day off work to go to naughty boy class.
You might not be eligible for it.
It's been above 3 years.
Oh, f***ing hell! You dickhead! Wow, you just can't read me. That says keep clear. You absolute mong. Oh, I knew you. Okay.
Bye.
Someone's been a bad lad.
That's sort of a fucking sledgehammer.
Fucking idiot steering. Brilliant driving, great one. Learn how to drive, pal. Oh, he slowed down, good one. Brilliant.
Gotta learn how to see in your fantasy. Everybody's talking something very shocking just to keep on blocking what they're feeling inside. But listen to me, bro.
She's to your car.
Interesting place to stop. They're lost. Yeah, well, you don't just stick in the middle like that, do you?
UK single chart hits 4.
3 in 10. In.
Somewhere only we know.
Yes.
Somewhere we go. Here's your tickets, mate.
Porsche there. Nice BMW M140 in front. Just noticed that.
Sports, man.
Hockey players, football players.
Come on, love, stop about.
Yeah.
Oh, Billy Bellend, you need all your own Bellend. Yes, you do.